Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the 1MII brand. This is their Bluetooth amplifier / receiver. This is the B08 model. Now this unit produces 50 watts per channel of audio power. It's a 2-channel stereo. We're going to show you all the connections on the back and how to hook this up. It has a Qualcomm certified APTX HD audio, so you know it's high resolution audio because it's using 24-bit encoding and decoding. So that's beyond what even a CD player has, and it's just a lot of bandwidth to give you really good sound. It has dual Bluetooth antennas so that you have excellent range and no dropouts. And the range, by the way, should be between 20 and 70 feet or 20 and 30 meters. It has a line-in mode with a 3.5 millimeter plug. Included is a line-in 3.5 millimeter cable that you could use to directly go from your mobile phone into the device. It has bass and treble controls we're going to show, and a master volume control. It has an optical audio out on the back and an included audio optical cable. Also has coaxial on the back so that you can use this in a coaxial cable, and they also have a standard left to right audio cable so that you can gain access to the output of this. It has also 4 speaker terminals on the back to wire up 2 speakers. It includes a 24-volt DC, 2.2 amp AC adapter with a US plug on there. So that's where it's deriving that 50 watts per channel by using this higher power, higher voltage adapter. Also includes a manual how to hook this up. So this is a close-up of the unit itself. Let's take a look at the front first of all. You have your power switch on and off. Very nice, solid feeling switch. You have a button right there, and that is for Bluetooth access. That allows you to also reset the devices, that button right there. And then you have a nice bass control and a treble knob and a master volume control right there. Feels good quality, and you could feel when the midpoint is. It has a little click, let you know. On the bottom, it has cooling ports and all the complaint information on there, the model number, and it has these nice rubberized feet to keep this solid on your table. And looking at the back, you can see the dual 2.4 gigahertz antennas. You can see the speaker outputs right here. It's got red for the right and black, red for the positive, black for the negative, and you have your left and right. And that's the speaker out on there. That's where you're going to connect your speakers. Now these unscrew, and when you unscrew them like that on the top, there is a little opening, gold plated, and that's where you're going to put your wire in there. And now on the back antenna, we have your power input right there for the AC adapter I showed. Here's your optical out. Here's your coaxial out. If you want to go to a separate receiver with these right here, you can do that digitally. If you want to go analog to a separate amplifier, you can use the right and left and the included RCA cable. And this right here is a input so that you could bypass the Bluetooth if you don't want to use Bluetooth, and you could put any type of typical audio line out into here from your mobile phone or from any other device. So that's basically it. And once you get this powered on, we're going to demonstrate how to get this synced up to my Nexus 6, and we're going to hook it up to some speakers and give it a test to see how it sounds. Okay, so here I have it set up in the most basic configuration that you can use this device. You see the device is right there, and it has wires going to 2 bookshelf speakers, and that's the easiest setup. And just look how small that is. And I already tested it, sounds really good. So I'm going to first show you the back of the unit and show you the connections. So it's very simple. You have the red positive, black negative, and you see that's going to the right speaker, and that's going to the left speaker, and you just open them up, turn them counterclockwise, put the wire into the hole, and then tighten them up clockwise, and you're all set. So the first thing I'm going to do is I already tried this, tested it. I'm going to turn the unit on, and there is a blinking red-blue that comes on, and then I have my mobile phone with the Bluetooth on, and you can see right there that says the B08 is connected. I heard a little click too. So I already had done that, so now it's a connection that's established. So now I can go and I can go to my play music. And of course I can control the volume on my phone, on the unit. And it's got nice bass. I have the bass turned up, and you could adjust that right there, or you could increase the treble. And it's very clear. And in terms of range, I walked away about 35 feet, and that seems to be the range in between walls in my house. And that's perfectly fine, just make sure within 35 feet. So when you power this unit back on, it actually remembers that Bluetooth, and then it starts streaming, ready for you to use. Let me show another way that you could connect to this unit. It has an included 1/8 inch 3.5 millimeter line-in cable. So on the back of the unit, there is the orange line-in. Now this is a way to bypass the Bluetooth, and I'm going to take my phone and I'm going to plug it into the headphone output right there, just like that. I'm going to turn the unit on. So when you're going to use the cable, make sure you turn your Bluetooth off so that the output is coming from the unit itself, the phone. And now I'm using my phone line output, or headphone output, to go right to the device. Of course, you have your volume control, just as you'd expect, just like that. And now you have your full controls just like you did before. So what's nice about this is that you don't need Bluetooth if your device doesn't have it. And this could be any device. This could be a MP3 player. And whatever device has a line output or a headphone output, you can go right to this unit and bypass any Bluetooth, and it sounds just as great. Now another way to use this 1MII Bluetooth amplifier is on the back. As I explained, you have your output section here, and we're going to take that line out with the RCA and the included cables, and we're going to hook it up to another sound system that I have by my TV. We're going to see how that works. So here I have the unit plugged in and behind my television, and I'm using the included cables, and they're going down to a receiver down here. and it's plugged into the CD input. And now we're going to see if that allows me to stream music to my television sound system. So here I have it connected to my sound system, and I've got my TV up above, and I have the 1MII unit right over there, and I have my phone ready right here. And now I'm going wireless to my sound system using the MMI unit, and it sounds great the way I could use my home stereo system. So you have two options: to use the internal amplifier or to use your own amplifier, and it sounds really good. I want to show that I'm streaming the music that I demonstrated, and the volume on the MMI unit still works. So you have the volume on your amplifier system, and the volume on this also works. So I recommend you just keep it right in the middle, and then use your amplifier volume. So what's my overall impression about the 1MII, the Bluetooth amplifier receiver, the B08? I think this is a great product. As I demonstrated, you can use it in this simple configuration, have a really small profile, great sounding, loud, high bass system. I really like this product, and I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.